Hello and welcome to House of Hybrid channel. My name is Renato and today the tutorial video is how to retrieve a code from the motor Ford, Lincoln. They have those codes to get into your car without the key. So a lot of people get those cars as a second-hand car, so used car, and they don't have the code. And it is a lot of money to get that from the dealer when you need it. So they will charge you a lot of money. So today we are working on a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. And in this one, that will be, where you can see the code, will be under the dash on the driver's side on the back of the fuse box. I'm going to show you how to do it. And the tool that I'm going to use, every time that I work under the dash, it's really helpful. Those headlamps that you can see and be with your hand free, because it's really bad to work down there. So I always like to use this. And in case you guys would like, I will list on the description under where you can find one of those. I will use my electric tool and a 10mm socket with a small extension and a swivel, because it's a little hard access. It's only one 10mm nut that we need to take it off. So let's do it, and you're going to see exactly where it is. There is a sticker behind the fuse box that has, and it's clear for you to see which those numbers are, because it says code, and then you have the 5-digit code. So let's do it. Oh, and also you're going to need a mirror. That will be helpful too, because then you don't need to take the whole fuse box out. You just pull to the side, get a mirror in the back, and you can see the numbers, and then you retrieve easier. All right, so let's do it. Okay, right by the paddles where I'm going to lay down under the dash, and you see at the wall there a black fuse box. And this little nut there, the 10mm nut, is the only nut you will remove. Then you'll be able to pull that to the front and you will see the tag in the back. Okay, it's really tight. That's why I'm using the swivel. That's really helpful to get it out. Now that the nut's out, I can pull that far from the wall and have a room in order to access the tag. And when you put the mirror, you'll be able to see the tag there. There you go. Here's the tag. That's all. Okay, now we retrieve our code so we can fully use our system here. So we will just touch, light up, to lock. You press those 2 digits on the bottom and hold to here click. Now the car is locked. And to unlock, you touch it again and punch your 5-digit code, and you'll be unlocking your car. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next video. Thank you.